guys, welcome to the first of our virtual Magic Maths lessons. What I'm going to do is every week record what we've used with the children who are in school so that you can use them with your children at home. I'll teach them as I would teach my lessons with the children on the carpet. So you guys can basically just sit the children in front of it with a whiteboard or pen, a few counting resources, and you can just let them watch and I'll do my thing. I'll talk you through how we use them first, just so that it makes sense to you if you did want to support your child while they were watching. So every Magic Maths lesson starts with this screen to let the children know it's Magic Maths. We also have quick start numbers at the start. So basically we flash through numbers 1 to 20 like so, and the children just shout out what the numbers are all the way through. Okay, then we normally start with a couple of reasoning questions or a couple of questions to help develop their number sense. So for example, this in the first lesson, in the first session, we have which number is the biggest, both numbers represented on a tens frame, how do you know? A lot of the time when we're doing maths with the children, we're constantly asking, how do you know? How can you show me? And this is to really help develop those reasoning skills that they need further on in their maths learning journey. We've got a number sense question here, so which number is missing? Children might decide to count on in their heads, they might know they're one more or one less, and they should be able to work out which number is missing through that knowledge. We've decided to start our teaching now the children are back based on subtraction. This is because this was the concept that we hadn't started before the children left, we were just dipping into it. So the first slide in this series is kind of like a beginner's guide to what subtraction is for the children. We normally start by unpicking the concept, and then you'll see over the next few sessions that those concepts are applied to problems that the children will really enjoy. So the first screen we have is we are learning to subtract. We talk through the key language. Then we show the children different subtraction problems represented in lots of different ways, okay? Just like we do with our CPA approach. So we normally start with a concrete representation. So I might have the children on a circle in the carpet and I would be showing them physically how we work through it. I then have it represented pictorially. And then I might show them a different pictorial method, which is a bit trickier. I show them how to use their fingers. You can see we've had a go at this one today already. And then the session always ends with a maths challenge task for those children to apply what they've learned. And basically what we'll do over the course of this week, now we've introduced that concept of subtraction, is to unpick it further and get the children to apply their knowledge. Okay, so each week on the website we'll upload the slides that the children have been using that week. Obviously we'll start our teaching on a Monday, we don't upload till a Wednesday, so you'll have a couple of days, you'll be a couple of days behind those children in school if you're at home, but that shouldn't matter too much because you can just pick it up as you go along. Okay, I'm going to film myself doing the rest of these slides now, so the rest of the videos that go on you should be able to just follow along with, and it'll be me talking as if I'm talking to the children.